Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn default constraint. Default constraint is used to provide a default value for a column. The default value will be added to all new rows if no other value is specified. Now we will see practically. I am creating a table with default constraint. Create table name, id int, name varchar, its size 20, and then city varchar, its size 20, and I want to add default constraint in city column, default, and then in the column you have to give default value and then bracket close semicolon. We will run this. You can see table created. Now I am inserting new row into this table. I have given all the values in all the columns. One row inserted. Let me fetch the data from this table. Select star from person. You can see one row inserted, and in the city column the value is Delhi here because I have given Delhi value. Now I am inserting another row. Here I have given values in two columns only, ID and name. One row inserted. Let me fetch the data from this table. You can see I have not given any value in second row in city column, but it is showing Chandigarh because I have created default constraint in city column. It means if we do not give any value in the particular column in which we have created default constraint, by default it takes default value. That is how default constraint works. Thanks for watching.